Alright, so for today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys about a really easy method to make money this summer. I've been doing this method for a couple of years now, and it's really good, especially if you're not old enough to get a job. So if you're younger, this is a really good method for you guys to make a little extra money this summer. So I'm going to tell you guys the method, but before I tell you guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel, leave a like on this video. I'd really appreciate it. So I'm sure all you guys have a ton of old clothes that either don't fit anymore or that you don't want. So that's what this method's going to be based around. It's going to be selling those clothes on eBay. It's not really that complicated. It's pretty simple. Just telling you guys in case you haven't thought of it before. I've been doing this for a couple years and it's made me like $200 or $300 just because name brand clothes always sell for decent amounts on eBay. So if you guys have pretty much any clothes, name brand's really good for it though. Like Nike shirts, Adidas shirts, jackets are pretty good. Sweatpants are really good too. Just look through your closet. If you have stuff you don't want anymore or if it doesn't fit, make sure to get rid of it. Don't let it sit in your closet and just like accumulate dust. That's what I did it for a couple years, but then I started selling it. It opens a lot of room in your closet, makes your whole room feel less cluttered, and it puts more money in your pocket, which is really good. All you got to do is just list it on eBay. You can do that on your phone. What I do is I list all of it for 99-cent auctions, and they're 7-day auctions, and then I just add shipping accordingly depending on how much it weighs. If the item's less than a pound, you can ship it first class, and that's pretty cheap compared to sending it priority. So if you can make the package weigh less than a pound, make sure you do that. It's a good way to save some money on shipping. But just a super simple, really simple method actually. You can do this while you have a job or if you don't have a job, especially if you're not old enough. I'll probably be doing this summer also just because I found some other old clothes that don't fit me anymore, so I'll probably just periodically list those on eBay and then just sell them because they pretty much every single time I list something it sells. I don't really care how much it sells for as long as I make some like money after fees and shipping, just because it's just sitting there, so it's just not doing anything, and if I can get anything for it, that's pretty good because obviously you're not going to get retail for it just because it doesn't have the tags and it's used. But even getting something for it's better than nothing. It doesn't take much time to do. I would definitely do that, especially if you have a ton of clothes. I would definitely sell all of them just so you can buy whatever you want with it. I know I sold a lot of my old clothes to either get new pairs of shoes or new clothes. So whatever you want to do, just like sell the clothes, get the money for it, and then you'll have some extra money this summer. Really good for kids and teenagers who can't get jobs. I'll still be working my job. I work 2 days a week at a grocery store, so in addition to working there, I'll also be selling stuff on eBay. Just a really easy way to make money. So I just wanted to make a quick video for you guys just to tell you easy ways to make money this summer. I'll probably make another video on how I'll be making money this summer, so it's pretty like specific what I do. So if you want to do that, you can, but selling stuff on eBay is pretty general, and selling old clothes is a great way to start on eBay. It's really low cost to start. All you need is your phone, the clothes, and then shipping materials and a way to print. That's pretty easy. That's pretty much common household items. You may have to order stuff like shipping materials, but that's not too expensive, so you can buy those on eBay also. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys like the method. Let me know in the comments down below if you use the method or if you've already been using it, and also comment down below how you'll be making money this summer. It's always interesting to see the ideas that people come up with to make money, just because it's really cool to see how people make money and how it can help other people make money. So just a quick video showing you guys this. So hope you guys liked the video. Make sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel if you're new. And thanks you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.